life in the province. Another day, another vlog. For today's video, I enjoy taking a great scenery, beauty of nature, beautiful and relaxing on the street. Hello to everyone, Neneng is here again. Welcome to my channel. Again and again and again to all of my subscribers and to all of my silent viewers and to all watching my videos. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Thank you very much. Walking lang ang inyong maringneneng on the street, enjoying the beauty of nature. Have fun in beautiful scenery ang inyong maringneneng. And then finish waiting for my brother for ride.